Thank you for being here today. I'm Liz Wavinya. I normally do village content around cooking, farming, and making a sludge. And today, I'll be taking you along with me through the day as I spend the day by cleaning the house, also farming and cooking. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly do so. And don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment. Let's grow together. Let's be in this journey together. Thank you. I'll start by cleaning the house, organizing the house. Yesterday I did a thorough cleaning, so today I'll be just organizing the house to be in good shape. And after here we'll do gardening, also we'll be cooking in this video. So stick by and see and spend our day with us. The house as it's sparkling clean. Now the house is sparkling clean. And our dishes are now clean. This is how I store dania, coriander. I'll be cooking in this video. Everything is sparkling clean now.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky just to
let's cook our beans. As you can see, I've placed them on the fire. So I'll be boiling them, wait for them to be ready so that I can fry
As the
them.
hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the
As my
night.
beans are boiling, I have already prepared my dal. As you can see, and today I've eaten brown chapati. And all you need is just a brown flour. I have cooking oil here with me. Yes.
We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay young forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shot from the top.
On the other side, my beans are boiling. As you can see, they are coming along so well. So let's continue cooking, preparing our lunch.
We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
My beans are ready. These are beans. These are yellow beans. And I want to fry them. And here I have onion, hoho, bell pepper, and dhania. This is the only thing I'll be using. Then oil, then chili cube. And welcome to our kitchen where magic happens. So I will pound this one, half of it, because it's for stew so that it can be thick. I've added everything here. This is what I normally do when I want a quick fix. And you can try this recipe, so nice. I've just pounded my beans, added the whole tendania, the chili cubes, and salt. Then I'll be mixing them. Today I don't have carrot. Then I add a little water. Like that. Then I'll be adding this one. I'll be adding this one. Then I stir. Yes. Then I stir. Then see. I'll let it boil and simmer for about 10 minutes. And it will be ready. Look. So. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.